Alright guys, so second week, we'll actually start placing some orders on our trade ideas. We'll also up the risk a little bit as we lost 1% during the first one. Alright, so I'll actually hop over a few of those clips as I was sick and my voice wasn't really it this week. But what I did at the beginning of the week is place some orders, 50 to 70 pips under the start of the weekly candle, just to get a bit of drawdown. I was expecting gold to rise, Euro USD to rise, so I think I placed order on both a bit below just to get that drawdown and try to go up from there. Around 66 pips. What's the average? For example, there we got 800. This one 900. Here 800. So start from right there. That's about it. That's a nice entry, and we got a nice 176 gap for the rest of the position. Rod, we got out. I should have stayed in. I don't know why I closed. I just wanted to recover a few of the losses, but I'm still looking at that trade. I kind of wanted to wait to get one last push to grab the liquidity, then go down. On USD CAD, same thing. I want to get in that trade again. Euro USD, I wanted to buy, as I can see Euro picking up and USD falling a little bit if we see CPI being lower than usual. But to be honest, I think I'll just place orders down as well. Maybe a move like this, around 80 pips down. So 80 pips. We'll place one lot buy orders. Place one right there. Place the second one down there. So let's say 70 pips drawdown and 100 pips drawdown on the second. Again. On the second one, I'm risking a bit. I'm risking 0.6%. On this one, yes, the weekly sentiment is still bearish, but there might be factors that drive the prices up a little bit. So I'm expecting to get a tag in at those levels right there. Maybe I'll just catch the first one just to be safe. Be a lot of move on CPI, so we'll just wait to see if we get some nice Euro data. If we get some nice data, price might push up, so we'll just wait for a retest around there and try to get up again. We'll keep a close eye on the market sentiment and the news events this week. We'll also look at USD CAD and GBP JPY, but I won't place orders on those ones just yet. So there it is. Alright, so I'll take a position on gold here. I'll explain in French after, but I'll take a position on gold. We're looking for CPI maybe to push the pair down a little bit, come in at 3.6. It should strengthen maybe the US dollar for a bit. We still see gold kind of correcting those higher time frames and coming back to 1950s, even 1970 if we get some terrible data for the US. But for now, we're just looking at the lower time frames, looking for a nice scalp position. There we go. I'll start with one lot, risking about 1% on the trade. I went a bit ahead the 4-hour close, looking to catch maybe a push down before it closes, a small retest, then we can catch another 50 pips maybe. Alright, so as you can see from the portrait recording, that was our live Instagram session. We don't do those because Instagram doesn't like it, but we tried it and it was fun. We actually took 2 gold positions on this one and you'll see the rest. Alright, so we're back on the charts. We led the trade run for the whole day and we caught around 70 pips. I'll close some partials right there and call it a day for gold and let this position run right there, aiming for 230 pips. So we'll see what's up. I'm hoping to get a break there. Maybe I'll take profit a bit above in the low 1900s. Then we'll go for buys depending on CPI. Alright, so I actually took full profit on gold during the Asian session just after, like 30 pips more for the second take profit. And after that, I stacked position on GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold. Alright guys, so this is what happened recently on the account. We got up 0.5% by taking our shorts on gold. We closed them. Then we tried to reverse the move with this buy on gold. We tried the same thing on GBP USD and Euro USD, but I closed break even. We're up, but I think we can reach those levels down there. I also think gold can do that, but this is the only pair I'll try, as I see it bouncing up at least 50 pips up to 100 pips before going for a new low. We're still on a significant level, so I think we'll have to retest a bit up to get the liquidity to retest 1900. One more position again, so we'll risk around 2% on this, and we'll have another 3% to risk, but I'd rather risk like another 2%. If we hit stop loss, we'll see what we can work with. So there we go. Our stop losses are all at 100 pips on each position. So we'll just have 2 positions with small targets. They're negative risk to reward actually. But what I'm trying to do is during London get a spike and get those nice little profits there to get 0.7% profit. Then we can retake positions lower there, or let it swing up to our initial targets. Try this out before CPI and we'll see what happens. Alright, so now that was during CPI or just before it. Gold shot into profit, so that was really nice. And the other thing is I went into US 30 to edge my positions. I actually stayed in the trade for only 30 minutes as I was up 0.7% on the account. On only this trade. So I closed US 30 and I stayed in gold. I think I took a little bit of profit and then I had to retry gold again. But I really managed my positions well. I think I lost one more trade on gold trying to buy again, but it went really well overall during CPI. Then finally we had these Euro USD positions that we had since the beginning of the week. For Euro USD, we got out of the drawdown a bit. I'll just wait next week to get around 50 pips and cut my positions there. So there you go. I know it's not always clear when you see those trades, but you can actually track the date in the bottom right. And if you're interested in analyzing those trades or knowing more about what our decision making is, how we make our fundamental analysis, there's more on our Telegram and obviously on wealthtradingempire.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and all that stuff. It really helps us grow on this YouTube channel. And have a nice one.